Hello guys, hope you all are fine. Today we will talk about 3D printing advancement and their impact on various industries. So let's starting the video. Introduction. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has rapidly evolved from niche technology to transformative force across various industries by enabling the creation of three-dimensional objects layer by layer. 3D printing has revolutionized manufacturing process, product development, and customization capabilities. In this article, we explore the advancement in 3D printing technology and profound impact they have on industries such as healthcare and automotive healthcare industries. The healthcare industries have embraced 3D printing as the game changer, enabling breakthrough in the patient care, surgical plan, and medical devices manufacturing customized prosthetic implements and automobile models can be progressively preciously designed and manufactured using 3D printing, improving patient comfort and treatment outcome. Surgeons can now use 3D printer specific 3D printed model can practice complex procedure, leading to reduced surgery time and enhanced precious. Moreover, 3D printing facilities facilitate the production of integrated drug delivery system and bioprinting of human tissues and organs, potentially revolution regeneration medicine and organ transplantation. Aerospace industries. In the aerospace industries, 3D printing has brought about significant advancement in design optimization, cost reduction, and supply chain efficiency. Complex aerospace components such as turbine, blade, fuel nozzle, and lightweight structure can be produced using 3D printing technique, re- reducing weight, improving fuel efficiency, and enhancing overall performance. The ability of creating in- intricate geometric and consolidate multiple parts into a single component has revolutionized the manufacturing process, leading to faster production cycle and reduce material waste. Additionally, 3D printing allow to on-demand part production, elimination the need for extensive storage and inventory management. Automotive industry. The automotive industries has embraced 3D printing to drive innovative, accelerate prototyping, and enhanced customization. While 3D printing car manufacturers can rapidly produce prototype, test different design iteration, and optimize performance. This enables faster time to market for new vehicle models and facilitate the development of lightweight high performance components. Additionally, 3D printer enable customization option, allowing customer to personalize their vehicles with unique feature and designs. Spare part of older models can be produced on demand, reduce supply chain complexities, and improvement customer satisfaction. And this is all about 3D printing advancement and their impact on various industries.